Ever seen an ad that promises to fix your blood sugar, kill sugar cravings, boost energy, and even help with weight loss without dieting or exercise and thought, this sounds too good to be true? That is exactly the feeling many people get when they come across Sugar Clean Drops, a liquid supplement heavily marketed as a natural solution for blood sugar balance, especially for people worried about prediabetes, diabetes, or constant energy crashes. So in this video, we take a calm, realistic, and fact-based look at what Sugar Clean Drops actually offer versus how they are being promoted. The marketing relies strongly on emotional storytelling and fear-based messaging, warning viewers about silent blood sugar damage while pushing urgency with countdown timers, limited stock alerts, and bundle discounts designed to rush buying decisions. While the product claims to stabilize glucose levels, reduce cravings, and improve overall health in days or weeks, there are no independent, peer-reviewed clinical studies showing that Sugar Clean Drops themselves can deliver these outcomes. Another common tactic used is regulatory wording like made in FDA-registered facilities, which sounds authoritative but does not mean FDA approval, as dietary supplements are not approved by the FDA for treating blood sugar issues or weight loss. Testimonials are also a major part of the sales pitch, often describing dramatic improvements in energy, mental clarity, and glucose readings. Yet these reviews are not independently verified and follow very similar patterns, seen across many affiliate-driven supplements. There are also signs that Sugar Clean Drops may be a rebranded product, a strategy frequently used in the supplement space where the same formula is relaunched under new names after complaints or declining sales. None of this automatically proves the product is a scam, but it does raise clear red flags that buyers should understand before spending money. The goal here is not to hype or trash Sugar Clean Drops, but to cut through the marketing, highlight the risks, and help you make a more informed decision rather than one driven by fear or urgency.